to see about our friends. Who are our friends? In social science subject for class 3, we are going to learn about our friends. Our friends are our community helpers. Here comes a man with a bag. He is a postman. He brings us letters. Next, he is a baker and he bakes cakes. And next, she is a teacher. She helps us to learn in the school. And she is a nurse. She looks after the sick people in the hospital. Next, she is a pilot. She flies plane. He is a plumber. He fixes taps and pipes. Next, he is a farmer and he grows crops. Next, she is a policewoman. She keeps us safe. Next, she is a doctor. She gives us medicines, treatment, and counseling. And next, he is a mechanic. He fixes our cars. He is a fireman, helps us from danger. He is a gardener. He keeps us our plants green and clean. He is a garbage collector and he keeps our surroundings clean. And she is a lifeguard. She saves us from drowning. A 7-year-old girl named Samudra goes to the market to buy some groceries along with her mother Vanilla. While walking, they come across so many people working. Mother Vanilla said, "Dear Samudra, keep yourself left and don't go to the center of the road. As we go deep into the market, the crowd will increase. Don't run away." Samudra says, "Okay, ma'am. What sound is that? Is that a bell?" Mother says, "It's a sound of a fire engine. I think a fire accident has occurred somewhere." Samudra says, "Is it? Oh my God." Mother says, "The bell is warning to the people on the road so that they can give way to the fire engine." Samudra asking question, "Why should one give way to it?" Mother answers, "It's an emergency. It has to go fast and reach the spot to save people and their properties." Here is a picture of Mother Vanilla and Samudra. Next, Samudra asking question, "How can a vehicle save people?" Mother says, "I'm proud to see that you're curious." Means so interested. The vehicle has many trained firefighters who save people and properties with the help of water, foam, ladder, and other fire extinguishing objects and devices. This vehicle is not only used during the fire accidents, but can be used in other emergencies or disorders too. Samudra, "Ma, tell me more about the firefighters. It's amazing. Are they not afraid of fire?" Mother says, "The firefighters are well trained to carry out their duties. And they wear protective jackets and they put water on the affected part of the building. They move people and properties to a safer place. Samudra asking again question. How do they save the people who are trapped in fire or are burnt? Mother says people with burns are sent in an ambulance to the government hospital. This vehicle contains all the facilities for first aid. The affected people are admitted in the hospital and given treatment. Here is a picture of a building got fire and the people from fire service, they are pouring water on the building to put off the fire. Here is a picture of a nurse. Nurse is a person who assists the doctor and takes care of the patients. Complete the below activity with the various duties of a nurse. In the operation theatre, she helps the doctor to stitches the wounds and gives injections to the patient and counsels the patients and give medicines on time. And again here Samudra continues, can everyone go in this vehicle? Mother says, this vehicle is meant only for those who are in need of emergency treatment. Samudra says, emergency treatment? Mother says, it is needed by people whose lives are in danger, like people who suffer from heart attack, faint, unable to walk, fall victim to accidents, etc. Here is a picture of hospital and a picture of an ambulance, picture of a nurse, patient, doctor, etc. And here Samudra continues her question, how does one get treatment in this vehicle? Mother says, we do not get a treatment, but we can get first aid. First aid? Samudra says. Mother answers, first aid is a life-saving aid that is given before the actual treatment of a victim. This ambulance contains a doctor or nurse and all the first aid devices and medicines. How can one call the ambulance? They should dial 108 for the ambulance. Here, Good Samaritan law. What is that? Good Samaritan law was executed by central government in the year 2014 to safeguard those who help the victims of accidents and other calamities. According to this law, any persons can help the victim and accompany him or her to the hospital. The person need not reveal his or her name or pay for the victim's treatment. This law was formed so that any person can come forward to help the people in need without the fear of police, rules and regulations, etc. Here, what is a Good Samaritan law or a Good Samaritan story from the Bible? Let me say. One day, a man who knew a lot about the Jewish law asked Jesus, Master, how can I be saved? Jesus answered, you know the law, that is commandments. What does it say? The man said, it says to love God and my neighbor. That's true, said Jesus. Now you know what to do. But what does the law mean by neighbor? The lawyer asked. Jesus said, let me tell you a story. One day a man was taking a trip from Jerusalem to Jericho. Robbers attacked him and beat him. They stole his clothing and left him there badly hurt. A priest came along the road, but he ignored the injured man and hurried by. Then came a Levite or temple worker. He didn't stop either. Then came a Samaritan man. Samaritans don't usually do anything kind for Jews. But this man felt sorry for the fellow who had been attacked. He took care of this injured injures and bandaged the wounds. And he put him on his own donkey and took him to a hotel and paid for a room where he could rest while recovering. He even told the hotel clerk he would pay more later if that much money wasn't enough. Jesus asked the lawyer, which of the three men who saw the victim on the road acted like his neighbor? The lawyer said, well, of course, it was one who took care of him. That's right, Jesus answered. Now you do the same kind of things for the needy people. That's a way to love your neighbors. This is a story of Good Samaritan. And here they given some numbers 101, 100, 108. For the police, you can call 100, 100. And for the fire service, you can call 101. And for the ambulance, you can dial 108. Samudra continues, what building is that? This building is built on Extend the Market, Mother says. Samudra, how long it is? Mother, it is built so to protect people and traders from sunshines and rainfall. The person who gives structure and design to the buildings is called an engineer. Samudra, does an engineer design a house? Mother says, yes, of course. He designs houses, schools, colleges, bridges, multi-story buildings, temples, settlements, shops, factories, etc. Buildings are constructed using a plan or made by an engineer. Samudra says, oh, I see. Ma, why are we going through this mud path? This is not our regular route. Mother answers, repair work is going on in our usual tar road. Samudra asking question, are these roads laid for us? Yes. Here is a picture of a road repaired by the people, road workers. And mother says the roads are laid by road workers to make travel easy for the pedestrian and the vehicles. Pedestrian means one who going by foot. Okay. Samudra, look at these either side of this way. Samudra, why ma? What is special? Mother says, don't you think the green fields are beautiful? Yes, Samudra says, yes, they are. Who are the people working there? Mother says, they are farmers. It is because of them that we are getting food and we remain happy. Here you can see a beautiful picture of a field and there farmers working. And here they given a puzzle. We are going to solve the puzzle. You can hear my ding dong before I come. Lives are saved. Properties are protected from fire. Who am I? I am fire engine. Right, you're right. I keep people safe. I protect our community from crime. I make sure people follow the rules. Who am I? Yes, answer police. Next, I toil, hard work. Toil means hard work. in the soil. I plow to sow so that mud could give us food. Who am I? Yes, I am a farmer. Samudra continues, Ma, can you see that bus? Yes, bus is one of our transport service like firefighters, farmers, engineers. The service of drivers and conductors are also very valuable. They are the people who carry out the transport service efficiently. Samudra, Ma, can you hear can you hear an unusual alarm somewhere near? Yes, mother says. That is the siren of the police. Samudra, why police? Is something wrong? Mother, this is a usual visit of the police during the evening in the market. They come here to discipline the crowd as it's higher at this hour. They protect people, their properties, and make sure all the rules and regulations are followed by all. Samudra, Ma, what? Mother says. Samudra, you once said that our neighborhood Anna, the elder brother, is serving in the border. What does it mean? Mother says he serves in the Indian border as a soldier, fighting to protect the people of our country from invaders. There are many soldiers who defend the country, sacrificing their own lives and families. These soldiers together form the army of the defense force. Here is a picture of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose formed Indian National Army, and here is a fitness center. Here they'll give training for the police and the army people. And here Samudra. Now I remember our teacher told about the army yesterday in the class. Mother says, Samudra, do you know that the service of a teacher is a noble service that enlightens us with knowledge, values, and helps people to become good citizens? We have come to the main road. Hold my arm. Here one more activity. Who am I? Filling the following blanks. I dash clothes. I am a dash. I stitches clothes. I am a tailor. Yes. I paint walls. I am a painter. Here I fixes pipes and taps. I am a plumber. I protect houses and people. I am a police. I repair electrical appliances. I am a electrician. Next, Samudra continues. Ma, who is standing in the middle of the road? Mother, oh, he is a traffic police. Samudra, why is he standing there? Mother says his work is very important because he controls the vehicles coming from all the sides, and thus he directs the vehicles and protect the pedestrians. Samudra, Ma, look at the gigantic building over there. What building is that? That is the court. Court? What is that? Here all the problems are solved as per the law. Laws of our country. Judges help in giving justice to the people in various cases. They protect our rights. Samudra says, Ma, now I understand that all these people whom we came across today are working for us. I feel very proud of them. Here is a picture of a court. And Supreme Court is the guardian of the Constitution. Mother says, Samudra, what would you like to become? Samudra says, I too have a wish. I want to study well and seek a good job. At the same time, I would look after a garden and field with care. Here, mother says, at last we have reached our home. Please open the door. Let us recap the lesson. Our friends like teacher, doctor, engineer, police are working for us. Firefighters save people and properties from fire. An engineer gives structure to the building. The roads are laid by road workers. We are getting food from farmers. Soldiers protect our country, and we should be proud of the people who serve and our country. Let us have good friendship with our friends. Thank you.